I want you to think about the importance of starting conversations in your business. Now, when I think about it, virtually every client has stemmed from a conversation. Now, in most businesses, the more conversations we have, the more clients we can expect. However, the challenge is having these conversations is very rarely the best use of our time. Initiating these conversations is rarely the best use of our time. Having the conversation, absolutely, but starting the conversation, not so much. And so with my concept of cloning yourself, an important pillar of this is having a virtual you. So whilst you, like real life you, should be focused on your highest value work and most energizing work, we still need a virtual version of you to be doing the grunt work of starting these conversations. Now, the great news is it doesn't have to be you pressing the buttons. What I recommend to clients is once you've identified your Dream 1000 list, or you've identified your low-hanging fruit list, then decide on what message you want to send these people, and then have your virtual assistant press the buttons to deliver those messages. Just like with a postman, if you've got a heartfelt message you want to send to somebody, you write the message, you decide where it's going, but it's the postman that actually delivers that letter to the recipient's mailbox. That is all the VA is doing. So it is still authentic, it is still sincere, it is still real, but at the end of the day, it means that you will be able to initiate dozens, if not hundreds, more conversations, and then once they reply, well, then you can chime in and take the conversation from there. So that is the value of having a digital version of you, because obviously the sales conversations that stem from this activity are high value, but the activity of initiating hundreds of these, not so much. And if you think about it, 100 conversation starters might lead to 5 or 10 conversations, which might lead to a new client. So definitely high value. And in fact, my coaching clients, one client, John, comes to mind when he was running a little bit low, like a few projects had come to an end and he needed some new business. Well, he got the VA to shoot off a bunch of different messages, conversation style messages, and that led to the new deals that then kept him busy and the pipeline full of paying work. All right, so just realize when you engage the virtual you, it brings in business, and then it means the real life you is free to do your highest value work. If this is resonating, get in touch. Let's have a brainstorming conversation, and I will show you how we can build out the virtual version of you, as well as actually the digital version and the AI version. These are the 3 pillars of the cloning trifecta, so that we free you, like the real life version of you, to do your highest value work, the most energizing work, and free up your time to do stuff outside of work as well. Hope that helps. Talk to you soon.